welcome to my channel. So today we're doing some more fall Dollar Tree DIYs. These are going to be super simple and easy, so anybody is able to make them. Also, I want to thank Toby Life for sponsoring this video today. They sent me over this mini ozone generator O3 air purifier. All right, so here's a little bit more information about it. So there's two different settings. So if it is on the green light, it'll be on there for 30 minutes, and then there'll be a 55-minute pause mode and then a working mode for 5 minutes. There's also a blue light, so that means it's on for 30 minutes, a pause mode of 20 minutes, and a working mode of 20 minutes. So like I said, I think this is really, really cool just because it just releases active oxygen that removes smells out of your cars, smoke, pets, decorative materials, all sorts of things like that. You can use it in your bathroom, and I just think this little guy is super portable and super handy. This works up to not like giant spaces. Obviously it's a small little thing, but if you have hunters like my husband, this will work really good in a hunting bag to get rid of all the scent. And you guys, yes, this works amazing in my car and in the garbage can. I use these fasteners from the Dollar Tree, so this will stick to anything. So I am really excited to be using this. I absolutely love these type of things. I will leave links in the description box below so you guys are able to check it out. Like I said, definitely recommend this if you have kids, food, stinky feet, and sweaty soccer kids. I know I will be having one of those pretty soon. This works really great in your car, and I just slip it right in the front and it is perfect. So without further ado, I'm going to get into my Dollar Tree DIYs. So for this first DIY, I'm just going to be using an older canvas. It's pretty faded and some Waverly chalk paint. If you guys wonder why I always use this paint, it's because that it covers up so well and dries really, really fast. But I'm just going to do 2 coats over the top of this canvas just to cover up this barn. Once the paint is dry, I'm just going to take my ruler and Sharpie and just make this little canvas look like a background of shiplap. The next thing I'm going to be doing is just taking this Hello Fall sign from the Dollar Tree and hot gluing it to the canvas. If you guys can recommend a really good hot glue gun, leave that in the comments below because I certainly do not like my hot glue gun. It is a mess and it's not working as good as it used to. And I'm just going to be taking a bunch of florals from the Dollar Tree and cutting them and just kind of gluing them to the top to give this just a little bit of extra something. I really like the way this turned out. And like I said, all the floral came from the Dollar Tree. This only cost a few dollars to make. It's also kind of like a little trash to treasure because usually we just donate like some of our old home decor, and I've learned to not donate home decor, just keep it laying around just in case you want to transform it into something else. But I love the way the touches of the floral turned out on top of this little Hello Fall mason jar. I think this looks adorable. The second DIY I'm going to be doing is just a wreath. I'm just going to take a wreath form from the Dollar Tree, burlap, and a bunch of floral. I got most of this from the Dollar Tree and the boxwood from Walmart. And I have like a little extra bag of pumpkins and acorns and pine cones. I got that after fall last year at Walmart for like 20 cents. So now I'm just going to be taking some burlap and just wrapping it around the wreath just to cover the wreath form. I don't mind if burlap shows through on the wreath just because I like the way it looks anyways, but I just wanted to cover the wreath form so then I could just glue some floral right onto the top of the burlap. And then when the wreath is done, I just take some hot glue and then I just glue the burlap to the back. It doesn't really matter what this looks like if you mess up or not, because I'm just going to take a bunch of floral and hot glue them to the wreath, and I'm just going to be cutting all the florals up and just gluing them onto the wreath form the way I want. So I don't think I've ever actually made a wreath like this before, so I just kind of glued everything in layers. So I took all this, I want to say this is boxwood, I'm almost 99% sure that's what it is. This was from Walmart. They seem to always have this at my Walmart, so if you guys need to pick up some extra greenery, it's only 98 cents, or what is it, 97 cents? Anyways, I think that's a really good deal. So I am just layering everything. So I'm going to take all my boxwood and layer it, and then I'm going to start shoving flowers in between all of the empty spaces, the places where you can see the burlap. And I think this turned out really good for my first time actually doing something like this. So I was pretty proud. So you guys, in the end, I didn't show this in the beginning, but I took a bunch of the florals that was going to match a sign that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, which you will see later on. I'm sure you've seen it in plenty of fall Dollar Tree hauls and everything like that, but it has the Farm Fresh pumpkins on it, and I wanted to make sure that that would fit in the middle of this, and I wanted all the colors of the flowers and greenery to match, and I think this turned out really, really good. It was $10 to make a total, so I used 2 bunches of the boxwood, 2 bunches of the red flowers, another bunch of green, and another bunch of, I think it ends up being $10, but I'm pretty sure that's what it was, $10. And then I'm just adding some little pumpkins and little embellishments just to make this look a little bit nicer and cuter. You guys see my camera shakes a little bit because I did have some helpers. And then here's the sign I am talking about, and I just took some floral wire and just twisted it on the sign, and then I just twisted it around the wreath just to make it stay, and it stayed pretty nice. I got the floral wire from the Dollar Tree. I know it's kind of flimsy, but it worked really, really good. And then this is what it looks like when it's all finished. I love this. This has to be probably my favorite fall decor piece I've ever made. I know there's so many I have made, but this has to be my favorite wreath probably I've ever made. This took a little while, but I am so excited of the way it turned out, and not everything can, you know, take 5 minutes, but you guys, if you liked this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below. And again, thank you for Toby Life for sponsoring this video today, and I will leave the link to the ozone air purifier in the description box below so you guys are able to check that out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!